Let's look at this question. Five friends, Akash, Billu, Chunky, Dilip and Emily, who stay in five different houses in the same colony, orders order cakes from bakers out for their New Year party. They arrange for the cakes to be delivered before 11:45 p.m. The following table gives the distance in kilometers between their houses. And then you have a table linking houses of every individual with every other individual. It is also known that distance in kilometer from bakery to the house of Akash, Billu, Chunky, Dilip and Emily is 47563 respectively. The delivery boy travels at a constant speed of 12 km per hour and takes 3 minutes at each house to deliver the cake. Okay. First question is, what is the latest time by which the delivery boy can leave the bakery and complete delivery of all cakes on or before 11:45 p.m. Okay, so first thing you would have to do is understand that it will take 15 minutes. It will take 15 minutes to deliver cake at each house because it takes him 3 minutes at each house to deliver the cake. So once 15 minutes is gone, he has to ensure, forget those 15 minutes, he has to ensure that after he starts, he's able to cover the distance to all their houses by 11:30. Okay, or in other words, you have to find the minimum possible distance that he would have to travel. So what I'm doing is, let the first house that he's visiting be any of these five. First house he's visiting be any of these five, and then map out the shortest path to go to each of the other houses. How I would do it is, it would take him, the delivery boy, from the bakery, it would take him 4 kilometers to Akash's house. First case, when the first house is Akash's house. From Akash's house, whose house should he go to next? Clearly, next house should be Emily, because that is the shortest distance gone to Emily. Now, after Emily has been visited, what should be the next house? Can't go to Akash because we have already delivered that. Next house should be Dilip. Okay, Dilip 3. From Dilip, next house has to be among Billy and Chunky because it takes more time to Billu. Let's go to Chunky. Chunky 5. And now A, E, D, C have been delivered. Last has to be B. And from C to B, it takes 2 kilometers. So distance would be 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 kilometers. In this case, distance is 15 kilometers. Similarly, make it for all other groupings. So bakery to B, and this is 7 kilometers, B to C, 2 kilometers, C to A, 3 kilometers, A to E, 1 kilometer, and now E to D, 3 kilometers. Total cumulative distance would be 16 kilometers here. Out of these two, the first path is preferred because the distance is smaller, so the time taken will be smaller. Okay, let's go to the third path from bakery to Chunky's house, and it is 5 kilometers there. Chunky to Billu makes sense. 2. Then let's go to Billu to now from Billu to Dilip or Emily's house or Akash's house. Akash is the smallest distance, so Akash 6. Then what do we have? Akash to Emily, and then Dilip, same like the first path. So this, how much distance is this? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 4, 17 kilometers. So this is also an inefficient path. Then let's make it for bakery 6 to Dilip's house. Now Dilip, after reaching Dilip's house, you can go to Akash's house or Emily's house. So you would have to make two cases here. Bakery 6, Dilip to Akash to Emily, both cases 3. When we go to Akash, next house should be Chunky's. 3. Sorry. Made a mistake. Next house should be Emily, which is 1. From Emily, next house should be Akash, which is 1. So now both are almost the same. In the first case, Emily to Dilip can't go, Akash can't go, so Chunky 4, Chunky to Billu 2, Akash to Chunky, Akash to Chunky is 3, Chunky to Billu is 2. So of the two, the first one is of course inefficient, second one is more efficient. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 15 here again. Okay, this is all the paths starting from D. Now let's look at the path starting from E. Emily to Akash. Sorry, E should not be here. E should be here. Emily to Akash. First 3, then 1. Now from Akash, because you cannot choose Emily, you can go to Chunky's place or Dilip's place. So Chunky or Dilip, you get 3 and 3. Then from Chunky you go to B, which is Billu, and then you go to which is left, D, which is 7. So 2. From D you can't go to Akash, you can't go to Emily, so you go to Chunky. So this is 5 and this will be 2 to Billu's house. The top path takes 3 plus 1 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 7 16 kilometers. Let me also add up this empty space is giving me hibis. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16. This last path 3 plus 1 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14 kilometers. Out of the available paths, clearly the path of bakery to E to 1 to A, this is the most efficient path. How much time would it take? 14 by 12 equal to 70 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes or 70 minutes. So we have already taken care of the time that it would take to deliver. The additional 70 minutes to move. So from 11:30 we have to go back 70 minutes. The answer to the question will be option B 10:20 here. For question number, the next question. Suppose Billu and Chunky ordered a pizza along with the cakes. If the pizzas are to be delivered hot, that is within 42 minutes, after removing from the oven in the bakery, what is the minimum time taken by the delivery boy to deliver the pizza as well as all the cakes? Assume that the time lag between the removal of pizza from the oven and starting from the bakery is day. Okay, so pizzas have to be delivered at Billy and Chunky by within 42 minutes. So first, this 42 is not relevant to us. What is relevant to us is 36 minutes. 36 minutes. Why 36 minutes? See, 3 minutes will be taken to deliver at Billu, 3 minutes will be taken to deliver at Chunky. So 6 minutes are wasted there. What the distance between Billu's house and Chunky's house should be covered in 36 minutes. Now this at the rate of 36 minutes. 36 minutes is nothing but 3 by 5 of an hour, and the delivery boy moves at the rate of 12. So we get 3 by 5 into 12, which is equal to 7.2 kilometers. In a path, if the delivery can be made to Billu and Chunky within the first 7.2 kilometers itself, that path will be deemed acceptable. Here, Chunky and Billu get it very late, not acceptable. Here, Billu and Chunky get it after 9 kilometers, not acceptable. In the third path, this is acceptable. Chunky and Billu get it after 7 kilometers, so this is acceptable. Next one is Chunky and Billu are very late, Chunky and Billu are very late, Chunky and Billu are very late, Chunky and Billu are very late. So this is the only path that is acceptable. What would be the time taken here? 15 minutes of delivery time would be taken anyway. Additional time would be 17 by 12 into 60. So 5, I get 85 minutes in this path, plus the 15-minute delivery time. Altogether, answer should be 100 minutes. Let's look at the last question. As a part of the maintenance work, the telecom department dug up the road directly connecting Akash's house to Emily's house, making it unusable for commuting. If all other roads are available for commuting, what is the minimum time taken by the delivery boy to deliver all the cakes? Okay, let's see. You would have to make the same setup that you made earlier all over again. Just that this is no longer available, this is no longer available. So A bakery to A is 4. Now A to D is 3. D to E is 3. E to C is 4. C to B is 2. So 4, 3, 3, 4 plus 2. This is 16 kilometers now. Then starting from B, you have 7 in the beginning. Then B to C. I have to only edit those paths in which A to E has been used. Here it has been used, so I can't go there. But the initial portion will be same. B to C, 3 to A to D, 3, and D to E, 3. So the total increase here is of 2, so it will be 18 kilometers now. Then 5, C, B, A, D, E. So 2, D to A 6, 3 and 3, 6 plus 6 plus 7, 19 kilometers. Next would be D, 6, 3, A, C, B, 2, and the last one left is E, B to E, 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 8, 22 kilometers. And the other case would be D to E, 3. Now from E, I would have to go to C. From E, I would have to go to C. E to C would give me 4, C to B would give me 2, B to A would give me 6. So 6 bakery, what is the distance that I get here? 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. Next case, I start off at E, 3. Now from E, you can only go to Dilip, which is 3. From Dilip, you will go to Akash, which is 3. From Akash, you will go to Chunky, which is 3. And from Chunky, you will go to Billu, which is 2. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 2. 14 kilometers again. Again 14 kilometers. When it was 14 kilometers earlier, it took me 85 minutes. 15 minutes of delivery time plus 70 minutes of travel time. When it is again 14 minutes here, it will again take me 15 minutes of delivery time. Sorry, and 70 minutes of travel time. So total time taken will still be 85 minutes. Answer is option C. I would also like you to appreciate why the work, how the work could have been reduced here. I have gone ahead and made all the possible routes, which is not the appropriate way of solving this. You could have simply reduced your work by focusing on this number. The fact that from bakery to Emily's house it took only 3 kilometers, that should be the path that has the most efficient routing available. See here also, the most efficient route that you get is when you start with Emily. The most efficient route that you get is when you start with Emily. It is best if you start with Emily, so that could have reduced your work significantly.